Hello everybody. So today we have a HP Pavilion Entertainment PC. It's an old model, but the thing is, this kind of model is very good. We're quickly gonna be go through with this. They have a problem with the no display, and the power is there, but there's no display at all. Let's begin the job. Let me move down the camera. So at the back we have to be open. It's all screws. Be careful. It's have a bunch of screws. So you have to be all open. Let's begin this quickly. Okay, this gonna be okay. And now we have to be open this as you nicely this one. This one, you have to be open it all careful. This after the screen. There's a screws at the back here. You have to open this. And here you go. The motherboard is here. So in this motherboard, normally what happen? This kind of motherboards they have mostly like 90%. It have a graphic chip issue. Because there's no display there, so and it's not processing, not allowed to run the PC. We just go quickly open this all stuff. And after that we're gonna be resoldered it. Careful with this, and here you go. So this is the main graphic chip. This is also here. So we had to be redo, we had to be heat it up, we had to be reballing this, and then I will do this. And just stay with me. I'll come back. So you have to be heat it up like 10-15 minutes so we make it all resolve the points. So after the heating up, had to put back the heat sinks. I'm going to fit it back to the motherboard and to try with this. Okay. So we're gonna be try now. Will we see what's going on, and then let me turn off the lights. At least we're gonna see the screen. Here you go. So we get the screen now here. Okay, it's working now. So let me turn on the lights so that you can see my faces. Okay, so this is the thing. This is not really a tough job. If you just go and resold the graphic chip, so most probably like 90% of this kind of laptop, especially this HP Pavilion, it have a DV6000, 2000, and all the same family, the same models are mostly have a same issue. So just go the resolder it like 400 temperature or 350 temperature, just resolder it, and then it's good to go. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, like it, and subscribe for the new videos if you want it. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.